It's Chris with 4am Finance. It's 4:29 a.m. here on November 18th, and we are approaching our proverbial target on Bitcoin CME futures here at $19,205 per Bitcoin. Everybody should be happy and shouting to the moon if you're long here, and we took this measure move right here off an inverted head and shoulders formation, showing you the head here, right, the shoulders, and here's the neckline, right? So we take that up here, and we called that out, I think, just right before election day or on election day. And here she comes. So are we in a full-blown blow-off top? The question is, everybody asks, how do I know when to take a profit or let some longs go? And here's what I am looking at. I will tell you right now, very important here, is the 3-day closing, which is going to happen in 9 hours and 39 minutes on Bitcoin CMEs. Is as long as Bitcoin is closing above the topside Trollinger band, which is going to come in right there at 16,955 on the 3-day, 16,955 on the 3-day, and let's take a look on the weekly at 16,500 on the 3-day, 16,955 on the weekly, 16,500. I'll be keeping a very close eye on that, because as soon as we begin to close below the topside Trollinger band, I'll be ready to call like a medium-term correction. Not a macro high, but by any means. But that's where we're at right now, and that's what I'll be looking at. But let's go ahead and put on some of our other indicator, or let's throw it over here. Put the candles back on. Bitcoin at $18,250. Do we hit 20,000? I don't know. We look like we could, with the RSI getting up into the critical zone for the first time in a while. You've got Stokes still pointed up on the weekly. Let's take a look on the daily. Daily Stokes crossing up there. Let's throw in our other indicators here. We'll just take these off. And you've got, all major moving averages trading above each other. And that's exactly what you want to see when we're in a bullish trending market. Let's take a look at Coinbase. And what do we see here? And again, we're going to want to watch the same thing on Coinbase or wherever you're trading. The 3-day and the weekly closure on the topside Trollinger band. If we do close above the topside Trollinger band, I will remain bullish. And just keep letting it, the trend is your friend until the end of the trend. So let's go ahead and get my screen to refresh here. Come on, we're close. I really don't want to have to do that. Sometimes my internet's going crazy this morning. But we did see the fear and greed index here. It did pop up to a 91. That is extremely greedy. So another indicator that something is happening. I think something major is happening in the entire market. I think we might be on the helms of a real change in the financial system as we know it, with the IMF launching digital currencies in the near future, with mainstream adoption. You've got Wall Street coming in heavily into Bitcoin. So I was just hearing about, there's an infinite stock to flow ratio, meaning There's just so much money that can come out of the stock market into Bitcoin, and really we never run out of the supply. So I just wanted to get that to you. Looks like it's not letting me change my chart over to Coinbase. I'm going to try one more time to show you. Yeah, we're still on the 3-day. We're closing above here on the 3-day. And I'll just, again, I like to take the candle off so I can see exactly where it is. On Coinbase, the 3-day, it'd be 17,495. Wow, I must have been off on the other numbers there. 17,495 on the 3-day. And is it going to give me the weekly? I can't do this with the internet like this. Literally this morning at very early in the morning, I had to go wake up my daughter and say, hey, look, what's the Wi-Fi password? They just changed it on us. And as a result, here we go, stuck again. Okay, so on the weekly, we're at 16,445. There we go. 45. So it's 17,495 on the 3-day and 16,445 on the weekly. And that's for Coinbase, the topside trillion band. Just keep an eye on that, guys. Yeah, so that's what I'd be keeping an eye out for. Take a look at the dollar too. Let's take a look at the dollar and throw in our other moving averages. Dollar has been coming down, but looks like it's hitting a major, reversal area. I personally think that this could break down, but my opinion doesn't mean anything. If you look at the dollar right here, I mean, they get another stimulus package. Might not happen until first quarter of next year, but I think that could put some pressure on the dollar. Let's take a look at gold. Where's my gold? Gold on a daily. Daily looks like it wants to test 18,500. Sorry, 18.5. Still trading in this range. Again, depends on what the dollar does. If the dollar goes down, you know what happens to gold, typically. Silver looks like it's following gold, but we are getting higher lows, I think, personally, silver is headed, if I had to call it, back up here towards 26 bucks, if not $30 here. Again, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just telling you what I'm looking at on the charts here. Ethereum, probably going to go ahead and follow Bitcoin. And personally, I think this one is bullish as well. I think Bitcoin or Ethereum is going to do very well. Looks like, call this move back up to, it looks like it wants to go up there for about 620. So let's just put that in there. Drawing tools here. I'll put that at 620. That's a big jump here. Looks like we could do it. Look at this bull market we're in right now. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ coming almost for new all-time highs. We're almost there. New all-time highs. Here we come. Let's get bullish for everything. It's the everything rally. Oh, look at that. S&P 500, new all-time highs. Guys, I don't know what to tell you here, but it's a bullish everything market, and better get you some Bitcoin. I don't know if we're, obviously there's going to be some major volatility here soon. So let's keep an eye out. I'll bring you back another video soon, and have a blessed day.